Want them thinking about you all the time? Here's how. As much as we hate to admit it, sometimes the only way to get someone to miss us is to make them feel like they actually might miss. Something if they do UNT, call us or text us or reach out to us more often. But how do we do that without seeming too needy or clingy? Well, by creating a little emotional impact in a little bit of space and fun, visually appealing ways. And that's what this video is all about. So, whether you're trying to make your crush miss you, an ex miss you, or someone else miss you, here are 6 ways to make someone miss you. No. 1. Give them a genuine compliment and then back away, slowly. This may seem counterintuitive, but it works. Think about it. If you always give your crush compliments and then leave, they won't have time to get used to not having you around. They'll be so stunned by your good looks, charm, and wit that they'll be left speechless and will start to miss you immediately. Okay, maybe not immediately, but eventually. No, to send them a text message that says, thinking of you, and then do UNT respond right away. This is a great way to let them know that you're rethinking of them without being too needy or clingy. Plus, it gives them a chance to miss your witty banter and charming good looks. Just make sure to use a playful tone so they don't get the wrong idea. No. 3. Casually mention something you're passionate about and then change the subject smoothly. This is a great way to show them that they're more to you than just being their friend. Just don't be too pushy or they'll lose interest. No. 4. Send them a funny meme and then follow it up with a playful "you got this" text message. This is a great way to show them that you're confident and secure, which will make them want to be around you even more. No. 5. Talk to them about something that makes you feel passionate and then take a step back and observe their reaction. This is a great way to show them that you're an interesting person with a lot to offer. Just make sure to keep it lighthearted and fun. And no. 6. Ask them for a small favor, and then let them do it for you. This is a great way to make them feel appreciated and needed, which will make them want to be around you even more. So there you have it. 6 ways to make someone miss you. Whether you're trying to make your crush miss you, an ex miss you, or someone else miss you, these tips are sure to make them think of you more often. So go ahead and give them a try. You never know who you might make miss you. Now, if you want to make this video even more effective, try adding some of these elements. Use pop-up tips to give the viewer instructions or information. Use text highlights to draw attention to important words or phrases. Use smooth, dreamy animations to create a sense of longing and desire. Add background music that evokes emotion and reinforces the message of the video. Keep the tone light, fun, and engaging. And most importantly, end the video with a clear call to action that encourages viewers to try these strategies themselves. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time,